Leviticus 14. Make sure to like, share, and follow. And then Yahweh spoke to Moses, saying, This is the regulation of the person afflicted with skin disease at the time of his cleansing. And he shall be brought to the priest, and the priest shall go outside the camp, and the priest shall examine him. And if the skin disease's infection is healed on the afflicted person, then the priest shall command, and he shall take 2 living clean birds, and cedar wood, and crimson thread, and hyssop for the one who presents himself cleansing. Then the priest shall command someone to slaughter 1 bird over fresh water in a clay vessel. He must take the living bird, and the cedar wood, and crimson thread, and the hyssop, and he shall dip them and the living bird in the bird's blood slaughtered over fresh water. And he shall spatter the blood 7 times on the one who presents himself for cleansing from the infectious skin disease, and he shall declare him clean, and he shall send the living bird into the open field. Then the one who presents himself for cleansing shall wash his garments, and he shall shave off his hair, and he shall wash himself in the water. Thus he shall be clean, and afterwards he shall enter the camp, but he shall stay outside his tent for 7 days. And then on the 7th day he must shave off all his hair. He must shave his head and beard and eyebrows and the rest of his hair. And he shall wash his garments, and he shall wash his body in the water. Thus he shall be clean. And on the 8th day he must take 2 male lambs without defect, and 1 ewe lamb in the first year without defect, and 3/10 of an ephah of finely milled flour mixed with oil as a grain offering, and 1 log of oil. And the priest who cleansed him shall present the man who presents himself for cleansing, and these things before Yahweh at the entrance of the tent of assembly. Then the priest shall take 1 male lamb, and he shall present it as guilt offering, and the log of oil he shall wave them as a wave offering before Yahweh. And he shall slaughter the male lamb in the place where the slaughters of the sin offering and the burnt offering in the sanctuary's place, because of the sin offering belongs to the priest, so also the guilt offering. It is a most holy thing. And the priest shall take some of the guilt offering's blood, and the priest shall put it on the right ear's lobe of one who presents himself for cleansing, and on the right hand's thumb, on the right foot's big toe. And the priest shall take some of the log of oil, and he shall pour it on his left palm. And the priest shall dip his right finger with the oil that is on his left palm, and he shall spatter some of the oil with his finger 7 times before Yahweh.